finally, our top toaster oven is the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro is a versatile and smart countertop appliance that combines the functionality of an air fryer, toaster oven, and oven in one compact design. With a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, this 6-quart oven is equipped with advanced technology to deliver delicious, evenly cooked meals every time. The Element IQ system optimizes cooking by distributing power where it's needed, ensuring precise temperature control for a perfectly crispy, juicy result. One of the standout features of the Joule oven is its 13 smart cooking functions, which have been carefully tested and fine-tuned to make cooking easier. Whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying, the preset functions guide you to the ideal cooking environment, taking the guesswork out of meal preparation. The Joule Autopilot mode adds even more convenience by automating the cooking process. With just a press of a button, the oven adjusts between cooking modes, handling the more technical aspects while you enjoy the process. Additionally, the Breville Plus app provides access to over 1,000 guided recipes and cooking classes, helping you master new dishes and techniques. With voice activation capabilities, you can control the oven hands-free through Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, making it even easier to multitask in the kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro offers everything you need for a seamless cooking experience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.